I was getting quite a bit of pain. I was trying to walk with my wife and her friend, and they'd run off and leave me every time because I just couldn't handle the pain, and it was just getting worse, affecting everything.
John Pippinger chose muscle-sparing knee replacement with orthopedic surgeon Dr. Zane Uhland, assisted by Lantern Knee technology.
I'm a Jiffy Knee surgeon, and it's just an amazing philosophy about minimally traumatic surgery, a muscle and tendon sparing technique, soft tissue preserving technique that allows the patients to return to their level of activity remarkably fast. The Lantern technology gives me the validation and the confidence that my decision-making in real time is accurate. It's real-time feedback in the OR in my hands. Unbelievably efficient, unbelievably precise.
John's wife Cindy also had knee replacement surgery years ago.
I've replaced both of Cindy's knees the traditional way with a medial parapatellar approach, and then I replaced John's knee just 6 months ago with the Jiffy approach, using Lantern on all 3 of those knees. Cindy did great. She did wonderfully well. She's the ideal patient. Her range of motion is full, she's pain-free, she has no limitations to her lifestyle. It just took her longer to get there. So the results are ultimately the same, but John's recovery was so remarkably faster because of the Jiffy technique. Ortholine is a company that I've worked with for 9+ years now, and their Lantern technology is a real-time computer navigation system that allows me to precisely place my implants when I do knee surgery. My patient's recovery is remarkably more quick, more pain-free, their need for narcotics is unbelievably low, and the overall experience is phenomenal.
John's recovery was fast and virtually painless. No opioids needed.
It's just like being back 20 years ago. You know, I can do so much better. We go on vacations now, and we can do all we used to do. Yeah, I brag about it. I tell them about this Jiffy I did, and I really appreciated having this done rather than the traditional. I'm really happy with it.